today I'll be doing a little Christmas baking and all of that. So, yeah, I'm going to start in by creaming my butter and sugar, and this is a 2 pound recipe. So, 2 pound of sugar and 2 pound of butter, 2 pound of fruits, and so on. So, I'm going to cream my butter till my cream my butter and sugar tastes light and fluffy, and I'm going to gradually add the eggs afterwards. And I'll break and scrape the side and scrape the bottom to get everything combined in one. Ahead and scrape the sides around and scrape it down. Now me put it back to make it cream a little more. Then I add all the dry ingredients together now, which is baking powder, flour, my mixed spice, my cinnamon and all of that. All me I'll do is chop up the fruits in the blender. I'm not put them in whole, I'm just have to give them a one chop. I have prunes, raisin, cherry, mix, peel, everything combined up in it. Yeah. So looking. Grated the zest of 1 lemon. So this help with the rawness. They help cut the rawness from the egg. So also I'll be using half of the lemon in it as well. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equal to about 275 degrees Celsius. And at the bottom here I have a water bath. The water bath helps with keeping the cake moist so the cake does not come out too dry. So gradually adding the egg. Let it combine first and then I add more. And take time, increase the speed. and we don't want to over mix either. And I'm going to stop and scrape down the side. So I'm just going to continue adding the eggs till they're finished, and then I'm going to transfer the cream, butter, and sugar and eggs into a bigger container. The only thing I have added so far is the fruits and the lemon juice, so I'll be doing the cuts and fold method. Then I'm going to add the browning and my spices, my vanilla, almond extract, rose water, and so forth. Then add my flour, some rum, and red label. So you add your flour little by little, and you mix it in. And remember to scrape down your sides. Ready for the oven. And we're ready. So I lightly grease the seams and stuff. So. Do is tap down them a little bit and clean up the edges. And I won't open the oven for the first 30 to 35 minutes. So just touch out the oven.